Hi, I'm Dr. Ben from the On Button. I just wanted to spend 3 or 4 minutes with you just talking about the workshop series that I've got. We've got a whole range of workshops that really cover all aspects of your life, ranging from Mind Lab to Getting on Track, which is an amazing goal setting workshop that I run, through to Body Lab, which is how to look after your body and become a high performer, and lastly through to Fat Nuking, which is, yes, it's about losing fat, but it's about gaining energy. So why attend workshops? What's the purpose of it? Why do it? Well, I believe it's because you want to have a commitment to excellence. You see, a commitment to excellence, I think, is 3 things. There's 3 components that make up a commitment to excellence. The first thing is what you read. It's what you listen to. It's the books you read. It's the magazines that you read. It's the TV that you watch. It's what you're looking at on the internet. And importantly, it's the events that you go to, including the workshops that you attend. How are you educating yourself? How are you filling your mind? Are you filling your mind with stuff that lifts you up, that inspires you, that challenges you, that stretches you? Or are you just doing novelty, doing kind of the same thing but a little bit different? So one of the things that I think about workshops is that they create a stretch in you. They expose you to new things. They challenge your mind. They challenge your beliefs. And they create a whole range of new opportunities. The second commitment, when it comes to a commitment to excellence, is a commitment to taking action. It's a commitment to experiencing what you've just learned. You see, I don't think that knowledge is power. It's action that is power. Knowledge is great, but knowledge without it putting into action is powerless. And I think the second commitment to excellence is just that. It's, are you taking that knowledge and then putting it into experience in your life? And at all our workshops, you get to have an experience at the workshop. So you actually get to put some stuff into action at the time at the workshop, which leaves you empowered, not just knowledgeable, but empowered to take steps further into your life. I think the last component to a commitment to excellence is, who do you hang out with? Who are you mixing with? Who are you rubbing shoulders with? Who are you having conversations with? You see, sometimes in life I think that we need to get better friends. Because if you take a look at the friends that surround someone, their lives will be the average of those 5 friends. If you look at the 5 friends that you hang around, your health will be the average of those 5 friends. If you look at the wealth of the 5 friends that you hang around with, your wealth will be the average of those 5 friends. If you look at relationship, same deal. The relationships of the 5 people that you hang around most with, the average of that will be the quality of your relationship. So the third commitment to excellence, I think, is taking a look at your life and seeing who you're hanging out with. Are you hanging out with people that champion you, that give you the lift up, that say you can do it, that say, job well done, let me give you a lift to take you to the next level? Have you got someone to champion you? Have you got a mentor, someone that you can look up to, someone that reaches down and gives you that hand up? You see, in life, I believe we don't need more friendtors that are friends that kind of act like mentors but aren't really. They just kind of give you a pat on the back and tell you that everything's okay. We need a mentor that helps keep us accountable, someone that we can look up to. So in summary, the commitment to excellence is 3 things. Be careful of what you read and listen to and the workshops you attend, and I encourage you to expand your mind. Get to some workshops, get to some events that will stretch you. Secondly, put the stuff that you learn into action. Experience what you learn. And then thirdly, check in with who you're hanging out with. Look for people that are either equal or better, people that will raise you up, people that will champion you. And all those 3 things, I believe, we contain in our workshops that we run. So I hope that you'll check out things down below, the different workshops that we run, and maybe choose 1 or 2 to come along and experience what we have to offer at the On Button. Until then, remember, life, it's best lived on.